Selecting a reliable benefits lawyer for veterans matters is just as complicated as selecting a lawyer for any other important matter, but there are certain things you can look to. Probably the best single guide is whether the lawyer is a member of the National Organization of Veterans Advocates. That organization has been the premier organization for those representing veterans for the last 25 years, and those who are members are, generally speaking, the most experienced and qualified attorneys in the arena. The other things that you can look at are whether the veteran representative is a person who is listed on the Court of Appeals for Veterans Affairs website. If you look at that list, what you will find are lawyers with considerable degree of experience and with a breadth of knowledge who handle complicated cases at the court level. The other lists that you can look at alternatively, and these only partially overlap, are whether the attorney has been certified by the Veterans Administration, the Department of Veterans Affairs itself. But certainly those are the topics you should, or sources you should start with. The other question that you should ask every veterans lawyer, if you intend to hire them to represent you, is how many cases like this have you handled? Because a number of people, although accredited by the Veterans Administration, actually have handled very few cases, and as a result may not have the breadth of knowledge necessary to get the right result in your case.